What if I told you the AI video revolution is happening right now, and ChatGPT is completely missing the party? While everyone's typing prompts into text boxes, Hailuo AI is transforming words into entire cinematic universes with a few clicks. Today I'm showcasing 5 mind-blowing video features that make ChatGPT look like it's still figuring out how to send a fax. Your content creation game is about to level up so fast, your subscribers won't know what hit them. Let's dive in. Fact 1. Text-to-video generation. Forget boring text responses. Hailuo's text-to-video engine transforms your written prompts into fully realized video content with actual scenes, characters, and narratives. Type astronaut riding a horse through Times Square, and Hailuo doesn't just describe it, it generates the entire sequence with realistic movement, lighting, and environment. Meanwhile, ChatGPT is still churning out static text that makes your audience's eyes glaze over faster than a corporate PowerPoint presentation. That's impressive, but what Hailuo does with your existing images might just make your brain short-circuit completely. Fact 2. Image to video transformation. That still photo of your product, Hailuo can animate it into a 15-second commercial. Your company logo, now it's a dynamic intro sequence. Hailuo's image to video technology takes any static image and breathes life into it with natural motion patterns that don't scream AI generated, like those weird dancing avatars your uncle shares on Facebook. Upload your vacation sunset photo and watch as the clouds drift, waves roll, and birds soar, all from a single frame that ChatGPT would just awkwardly describe back to you. Already impressed? Hailuo's cinematic capabilities will have Hollywood calling you for special effects tips before we even finish this video. Fact 3. Cinematic effects and styles. Hailuo doesn't just generate video, it delivers cinema-quality styling options that would make Christopher Nolan take notes. Choose from over 50 cinematic presets, Wes Anderson symmetry, Tarantino dialogue cuts, Marvel-style action scenes, or dreamy Ghibli-inspired animations. Adjust depth of field, color grading, camera movements, and transitions with simple sliders. While you're crafting Oscar-worthy content with a few clicks, ChatGPT users are still copy-pasting text blocks into Google Docs and calling it content creation. The quality will blow your mind, but what about speed? Hold on to your editing timeline, because Hailuo's generation time will make your favorite rendering software look like it's running on a potato. Fact 4. Rapid video generation. Time is money, and Hailuo is basically a money printer. While traditional video AIs take hours to render 10 seconds of footage, Hailuo pumps out a minute of high-quality video in under 3 minutes. Need 5 different variations of your ad to A/B test. Done before your coffee gets cold. This isn't just an improvement, it's exponentially faster than anything else available. By the time ChatGPT finishes suggesting script ideas, you'll have already published, promoted, and started collecting analytics on your finished video. Speed and quality mean nothing if you need a computer science degree to operate the software. That's where our final feature comes in. Prepare to retire your 47-tab workflow and multiple editing apps forever. Fact 5. User-friendly interface. Hailuo's interface was designed by people who actually make videos, not engineers who think intuitive means adding more drop-down menus. The entire platform operates through a visual canvas where you can drag, drop, adjust, and preview in real time. No coding, no prompt engineering, no syntax to memorize. Complete beginners create professional quality content within 20 minutes of signing up, while veteran creators slash 70% off their workflow time. ChatGPT might give you a script, but then sends you off to wrestle with multiple programs to produce anything worth watching. So there you have it, 5 video creation superpowers that Hailuo offers while ChatGPT is still figuring out how to center a table in HTML. If you're serious about creating content that actually stops the scroll, Hailuo AI should be your next move. The gap between what you imagine and what you can create just shrunk to almost nothing. Hit that subscribe button for more tech comparisons that save you time and money, and drop a comment telling me which of these features you're most excited about. The AI video revolution isn't coming, it's already here, and creators who jump on board now will have the edge everyone else will be chasing. Are you ready to join them?